Hi guys, welcome to our second reboot video blog, and I'm here in Hong Kong Choi in Mega Mall. I'm here with my son Ashton. He's sleeping. Just came from Medical City, and I'm here with my wife Kanina, and we ate our lunch here. And she's outside shopping, buying some DVDs and some clothes for her. And just posting some little update. I'm still recovering from a bad flu, but I'm normally having a 70% normal rate for my health, and I'm very glad that my son Ashton is much more healthier than me because his weight uh, it's tawag dito, uh, much over the normal weight for a 2 months old baby. So uh, he's supposed to have I think six pounds, and today he got 8 pounds. So the doctor said that very big, but he said it's normal for having a big and healthy baby. So there's a lot of events coming, and I'm still busy fixing the guest list because I'm helping a friend in having her event for football on Saturday, and just invited 5 vloggers. Oh wait, I have a phone call. Hello. Hi. Diana. Ah. Bakit? Hindi. Okay.